Hi everyone, in this video, we are going to show you how to change your country settings on Amazon. Whether you've moved to a new location or want access to a different Amazon marketplace, I'll guide you through the process step by step. Let's get started. The first thing you need to do is open the Amazon app on your phone and log into your account if you haven't done so already. Once you're in, go to the bottom of your screen and tap the account icon. Here on the left side, you'll see the flag of your current country. Tap on it. In the menu that opens, select Country and Region. This will show you a list of available countries. Simply choose the one you want and press Done. Once you've selected your new country, you're all set. To ensure everything works properly, close the app and reopen it. This will help apply the changes successfully.
If you found this video useful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you next time. Bye.